Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we showcase the most innovative tech gear that helps you create, capture, and share like never before. Today, we're putting the spotlight on a powerful tool for creators, vloggers, and everyday storytellers, the ORDRO M5 Handheld camera, a compact 5K camcorder loaded with features you'd expect in much higher-end gear. Let's talk about the star of the show, 5K Ultra High Definition video. The ORDRO M5 captures incredibly sharp footage that brings every detail to life, whether you're shooting content for YouTube, TikTok, or your own documentary. And with its 120 degrees wide-angle lens, you can easily capture expansive shots, perfect for landscapes, group videos, and travel vlogs. What truly makes the M5 stand out is its 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. This built-in tech keeps your footage silky smooth, even while walking or filming on the move. Shaky video is a thing of the past. This camera helps you achieve professional-grade stabilization without needing an external gimbal. Whether you're recording in bright daylight or total darkness, the IR night vision mode has you covered. Perfect for adventurers or paranormal vloggers, it ensures visibility and clarity even in zero-light environments. Another plus, it's Wi-Fi enabled. That means you can transfer footage wirelessly, control the camera remotely, and even live stream with ease, all from your smartphone. The face tracking feature ensures you're always in focus, making it an ideal vlogging companion for solo creators. The ORDRO M5 also comes ready to shoot out of the box. You get a 64GB microSD card, a remote control, a camera bracket, and a rechargeable battery, everything you need to start capturing right away. No need for extra accessories or setup delays. Whether you're into daily vlogging, outdoor filming, IR night recording, or cinematic travel videos, the ORDRO M5 Handheld 5K camera is an affordable, all-in-one solution packed with performance. Check out the Amazon link below to see it in action, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Gadgetverse for more daily drops on cutting-edge tech.